In this quick video, I'll show you how to chat in Discord mobile while playing. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So to chat, firstly we need to open Discord app in our mobile. Once you open it, tap on the profile icon from bottom right corner, and then we need to click on the gear icon from top right corner, which is settings icon. Once we click on it, scroll down here until we find voice option. As you can see, this is the voice. I need to tap here and then scroll down again and enable this mobile voice overlay to turn our overlay of Discord chat, and then we just need to go back from here and join the chat where you want to chat with your friends or family. So my chat is in my home. For that we just need to click on our voice channels, which is gaming in my case. Once we tap on it, then click on join voice to join their voice chat, and then as you can see my voice chat has been started. Now if I go to my home page, as you can see there is this Discord overlay on my screen. If I tap on it, then it will give us multiple options of Discord in case you want to invite someone, or you can simply switch channels from here. You can open Discord, you can mute or unmute your mic from here as well. If you want to disconnect your call, then you can tap on disconnect call and then your chat will be disconnected. Now if you want to access Discord chat while playing games, then for that I'll simply start my game here, and then the Discord overlay will be still there because we enabled it from settings, and you can chat from here as well without worrying anything. So this is the process you can follow to chat with your friends or family while playing games. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel and also like this video. For now, thanks for watching.